Hello everyone. Today we learn about electric field due to an electric dipole at a point on its axis. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Electric dipole. The topic is field due to dipole at axial position. Now we have a dipole which is equal and opposite charge plus q and minus q separated by a very small distance, that is 2l, and we to find the field at point P. At P is a point which is the axial position along the axis of the dipole. So this is the axial AP is the axial of the dipole. It is along the axis of dipole, and distance of this P point where you want to find the electric field is r from the center of the dipole. This distance is r. Now we have to find the field at P. So field at point P will be the sum of field due to positive charge as well as negative charge using superposition principle. So first of all, electric field at P point due to plus q charge is E1 is equal to kq upon the distance square. What is the distance? Distance is bp. So this is bp square and this is kq upon pp. So here bp will be r minus l whole square, and as the charge is positive, the field will be directed away. So this is E1. Now E2, it is due to negative charge minus q. So this E2, this is again the magnitude of E2, that will be kq upon distance. What is the distance? It is AP square. So this A to P, this distance, and this is kq upon is r plus l whole square. Now the direction of this is attractive as charge is negative, so the field will be towards the negative charge. Now when we find net electric field, so net electric field is E net, this is equal to E1 minus E2. When two vectors have opposite direction, we simply subtract their magnitude, and here you will get this kq is common, and E1 it is 1 by r minus l whole square minus E2, this is r plus l whole square, and we have taken E1 as positive. So the direction of net field is along a B, so it is a 2B. Now we calculate, this is kq taking LCM. This is r square minus l square whole square, and this is r plus l whole square minus r minus l whole square. And when you are solving this, so a plus b whole square minus a b whole square. So the formula is this, the for AP from, so this is for RL divided by r square minus l square whole square. Now this net electric field, this is equal to k. Now this is q into the dipole moment. Dipole moment can be written as 2ql. So if you separate to 2l, so this is 2 times the dipole moment p, and this is r divided by r square minus l square whole square. Now we can see that the electric field in this direction, this is the direction of net electric field at the point. The dipole moment is also from a positive charge. This is a dipole moment direction. So both are having same direction, resultant electric field and dipole moment. So if you put vector sign, you will try to technique electric field in the direction of dipole moment vector. So the final expression will be taken kpr divided by r square minus l square whole square.